Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with another reading. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into the message. First, we're going to start off with Nov.Scorpio. All right. I will have the timestamps in the description. Okay. So with the energy surrounding November Scorpio, we have the house. Okay, so something could be significant here about some energy surrounding a home, a house. Maybe something within a house could definitely be significant. Okay, someone's living quarters could be significant. All right, a stolen home or property could be significant as well, because the second house talks about money. Okay, also judgment. So there could be like maybe someone has to move out. I'm getting that as well. So maybe someone has to relocate, or there is some sort of eviction notice or something of that nature. All right. Taurus and Venus energy could definitely be significant. All right. And with that values, I'm getting like maybe someone could have like gotten a house and sold it. Okay. So someone picking up like maybe a stolen house and then it was sold. So any of that energy could be significant. We then have twin flame. Okay, so yin yang, zen, balance, union, duality, coupling, complement each other. All right, so something could be significant here about you and your twin maybe moving in with one another if you're not living with them already. Okay, so something significant about that. A balanced home could definitely be significant as well. All right, something long term, because I'm seeing the Seven of Pentacles in my mind's eye. So something long term could definitely be significant here too. All right. Excuse me. Then confirmation. Then clock. Okay. So need time, takes time. In time. All right. Cycles, time to heal, and progress. All right. So this is giving me maybe you and your twin were in separation to heal. Okay. Something about you all healing, and then you all coming together. All right. I'm also getting divine timing off of this clock card. All right. So something significant about time as well. All right. Past life could definitely be significant. Okay, I'm getting that too when it pertains to this time energy. Okay, something could be significant about this time last year. Okay, so something about that. Following that, we have dragons unleashed. So you and your person are protected. Your home is protected as well. Your foundation is protected. We then have guilt is eating them alive. So something could be significant here about maybe some of you have a fallen twin, okay, and maybe this person, there is some sort of guilt that this person could be experiencing. Okay, I'm picking that energy up as well. And then we have a deceitful mother. So something could be significant here about someone who has a mother who is very manipulative and very deceitful. I've picked up this energy before. Also with that 8th house Scorpio energy and that Pluto energy, something could be significant about transformation and rebirth as well. Okay, and then too, that talks about merging. So I did say that you and your person could be coming together, or something of that nature could be significant. All right. Following that, we have the 8 of Swords. Okay, we did say that someone guilt is eating someone alive, and this is definitely giving me that energy. Gemini energy could be significant. Okay, something could be significant about someone being in prison. Okay, this could be a deceitful mother that's facing some sort of jail time or something like that. Okay, also something could be significant here about someone who has a victim mentality. Okay, someone could be restricting another as well. Binding spell could definitely be significant. I'm getting off of this 8 of Swords as well. Okay, following that, we have coffee cup. So it says meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, and friendships. Okay, so something could be significant here about you meeting maybe a soulmate or your soul family. I'm getting, okay, maybe you and your person are coming, into union, or you're meeting or something of that nature. All right, there could be something significant about someone wanting to sit down and discuss something. Okay, I'm getting that also. All right, so we then have corrupt surgeon. All right, so that definitely would be that swords energy. Okay, so something could be significant here about a corrupt surgeon being involved. Maybe this person wants to come clean about something, okay, whether it's to you or an authority figure, okay, or maybe an authority figure is going to speak to you about whatever this is, or something is coming out about this. All right, we then have slept with the whole crew. Okay, so something is significant here about someone who gets around. Following that, we have they're the real terrorist. Okay, so like I said, something could be significant here about someone who is like maybe abusing someone mentally, physically, even emotionally. I'm getting off of the Eight of Swords. Okay, someone very manipulative. Could definitely be this deceitful mother figure. Okay, something could be significant here about, I'm getting like ventriloquist energy, you know, like with the ventriloquist and then a puppet. Okay, so something could be significant about that. We then have, I'm going to be fresh as hell if the Fed's watching. So like I said, something significant about detective, investigator energy, you know, law enforcement, all of that I'm getting. Following that, we have more than cousins. So something is significant here about someone that could be messing with a cousin. Okay, someone could even be expecting when it pertains to a cousin. Okay, also something could be significant here about maybe someone you know, like I'm hearing impregnating a cousin. Yeah, someone could have gotten their cousin pregnant or something like that. Then we have court proceedings behind your back. So yeah, something is significant here about some sort of judicial proceedings behind your back. All right. So next in line, we have May Taurus. So with this May Taurus energy, first card we have is Toil and Labor. All right, so something could be significant here about what someone does for work. Law enforcement could definitely be significant with that Taurus energy. Okay, so someone could have worked hard to whatever this is that someone was trying to achieve with these court proceedings behind your back. Okay, so working behind your back is definitely significant with this Toil and Labor energy. With this 38, you could be definitely receiving some communication in reference to this. Like I said, with that 8, that is talking about that Pluto energy. And I think like what Pluto is in Aquarius. Okay, so yeah, some sort of big changes that are taking place. All right, and I feel like you're getting communication when it pertains to whatever this is, or something is coming out. All right, so we have lightning. Yeah, so sudden changes, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, and transformation. Like I said, some sort of information is definitely coming in. All right, and with that Taurus energy, Taurus is the second house. Okay, so something could definitely be surrounding like finances or something of that nature. Okay, also something could be significant about someone who admires your beauty. Okay, your strength as well. All right, something significant about the love that you give and put out too. I'm getting. All right, so we have, he's plotting a fire sign. So something is significant here about a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All right, so something significant about some swift changes taking place when it surrounds whomever this individual is, whomever this male is. All right, following that, we have paper trail. So yeah, some sort of evidence is definitely significant. Following that, we have fake reader, earth sign. All right, so this could definitely be a Taurus. All right, or they're showing up as a hierophant energy because they're like in a teacher position, but it's a fraud energy. Okay, a fake healer energy. I've been picking that up. Targeting an earth angel. So whomever this earth sign reader is, this is someone who targeted an earth angel, a real earth angel. Okay, a real prophet or reader. Following that, we have you're the niece, not the daughter. Okay, so something is significant here about someone being someone's niece, not their actual daughter. Okay, could definitely be an earth angel energy. We then have sleeping with the enemy. Okay, so something could be significant here about someone who was sleeping with the enemy, someone who was working with the enemy is significant. And then we have rigged elections. All right, so maybe someone here with that rigged election energy, that's definitely Taurus energy, hierophant energy. Okay, the month of May could definitely be significant. Okay, but whatever that energy is, someone working hard at something is definitely significant. Okay, and there is some sudden changes coming in. All right, So next we have the Nine of Cups. All right. So like I said, changes. Some sort of wish come true is taking place. Okay. Due to you being in the energy of gratitude, Pisces energy is significant. That nine talks about the ninth house. So someone here could be traveling. Sagittarius, Jupiter energy is significant. All right, so something significant about your expansion, your wisdom, and your spirituality as well. Okay, you can have a lot of it, especially with this Knight of Cups energy. Okay, to further clarify this, we have the snake. Okay, so competition, enemy, clever, malicious, look over your shoulder, the other woman. So something could be significant here about a feminine energy who wanted to be in some sort of competition with you. Okay, Taurus energy could be significant. The month of May could be significant. All right, something could be significant here about a May Taurus. Okay, or you could be a May Taurus. Just take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it here. But whomever this feminine is, this is someone who is in competition with you because of your wisdom. All right. Someone is intimidated when it pertains to your wisdom, your enlightenment. Okay. Following that, we have paying for spell work overseas. So whomever this feminine energy is, she's someone who pays for spell work overseas. Okay. She could definitely sit in like some sort of predominant seat or position. Okay. I'm getting this could be someone who is in the spotlight. All right. But whomever this person is has paid for spell work overseas. All right. We then have Ouija board. Okay. So this person messes around with Ouija boards as well. Okay. Something could be significant about the person she pays who messes around with Ouija boards. Next, we have the tables have turned, but something has backfired here when it pertains to this feminine. Okay. Something could be significant about a Pisces, most definitely. All right. Confirmation with the train in the background. All right, so next we have a November Sag. Okay, this feminine could definitely be a Sag as well. Just take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it here, or you could be a November Sag. All right, something could be significant here about in the now. Okay, the month of November could be significant, and I did mention the ninth house with that Nine of Cups. So Sagittarius energy. Okay, so we have imprisonment. So yeah, like I said, someone is going to jail. Okay. We got double confirmation about that in this reading. So the number 29 could be significant. The number 11 talks about justice. Okay. Something could be significant here about groups and or friends. Okay. Something about money, what people do for work, how they obtain their money could definitely be significant. Their daily routines could be significant as well. All right, this 9 is definitely giving me someone is taking a trip or traveling to prison. All right, so to further clarify this, we have stabbed in the back, heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, shock, and attack. Okay, so this could be someone could have set up some sort of someone wanted to snake you, someone wanted to harm you, someone wanted to cause you some sort of pain. Okay, so yeah, this is what's going on in this energy, and this is the reason why these people is a sudden change, a shocking change. Okay, we then confirmation. I know y'all heard that. They just, yeah. So we have the Grim Reaper is here. So yeah, as soon as I was getting ready to read this card, y'all heard that. So yeah, the Grim Reaper is present. All right. So here to collect. We have slept with relatives, baby daddy, or significant other. All right. So someone here could have definitely slept with the baby's father, okay, or significant other, all right. Following that, we have their transparent to you. Yeah, so you could see straight through whomever these individuals are, collective, all right. So next, we have the Queen of Pentacles, all right. So you are this Queen of Pentacles energy because we just said they're transparent to you. You are someone who is very nurturing, very humble, very grounded, okay. You are someone with strong maternal instinct, okay, as well. All right, you are very reliable. All right, so Capricorn energy could definitely be significant here. So to further clarify this, we have kisses, unconditional loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. So I feel like you're getting what you put out. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Big time energy here. Okay, so you're getting back what you're putting out, and I feel like Spirit is wanting to reassure you that you are unconditionally loving. Okay, so you deserve to be loved. Okay, when you are giving, okay, even to those that you don't know from a can of paint, okay, and it's coming back to you, okay. You are someone who is a truly affectionate as well, so it's coming back to you, okay. And someone is going to love on you like you have loved on others, okay, but they're going to love you the right way. You're going to get the love that you put out, okay. So to further clarify this, we have hush money, all right. So something could be significant here about a feminine energy, or someone, I'm picking up a feminine energy, so someone paying someone some sort of hush money could definitely be significant, okay. I did say that I was picking up on a feminine over here with this paying for spell work overseas. So this person could definitely be coming up as a Queen of Pentacles as at also, okay. So definitely flip the roles if need be, all right. And that Capricorn energy talks about the 10th house, okay. Saturn energy could be significant, so some sort of structure or society. These people or this person could be a part of some sort of structure or some sort of society. Something could be significant here too about a society of men. Okay, the 10th house talks about that, and it also talks about public image. And I said I was picking up a feminine who is in the spotlight. Okay, this could be feminines and masculines that are in the spotlight. Okay, I'm getting both. Like I said, it's like the little babies up to the, you know what I'm saying, like to the top of the snake, from the tail to the top of the snake, okay. So something significant here about hush money. We then have fact. So yes, it's a fact that someone was paying out or dishing out some sort of hush money to keep something quiet, okay. We then have her family, truth teller. So something could be significant here if you are someone who is a truth seeker, a truth teller, right. Something significant about your family stabbing you in your back. Okay, we got stabbed in the back right over here. And something significant about imprisonment. Okay, a Queen of Pentacles feminine could definitely be significant. All right, it could be something significant about this person working with a Sagittarius energy. Okay, or a masculine or a father figure. Okay, thank you, Spirit. Okay, the month of November could definitely be significant. All right, following that, we have sacrificing babies. So something is significant here about someone being behind sacrificing children, a child, doing spell work on children. I'm picking up here any of that. And in the beginning of this reading, I said something about like mentally, physically, emotionally abusive, and I did mention spell work, okay? Next, we have Archangel Michael surrounds you, all right? So you are protected by Archangel Michael. All right, so that's everything I have for you when it pertains to this reading. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next one.